Hello Taurus, this is a general reading for you. This is for Sun, Moon and Rising. Whichever resonates with you, you can take it and leave the rest. And I'll be reading for both the sides, and you can interchange it as to your storyline, what exactly resonates with you. Okay, let's start with the reading. Got a lot of cards. I'll shuffle them one more last time. I've already shuffled them. Okay, let's see. The first card out is Six of Swords. I'll place all the cards. We'll see in your energy, your partner's energy, the present, the past, present and the outcome. All right. And the overall energy is Ten of Swords. You're feeling totally defeated and you don't see any. I'll try to clarify this Ten of Swords. Sorry. Okay. Ten of Swords is clarified by Prince of Swords. That is the Knight of Swords. Okay. And what I can see here is your person is right now very much focused on their work, and they are moving to calmer waters. There was a situation which led to a lot of conflict between you both, and right now they have decided they'll focus on their career or their business, and they are totally into this Queen of Swords and King of Pentacles mode. They are just taking time away from this situation which was very burdening for them, and they have just moved out. You people couldn't see a future before, and all this came to a halt, and you didn't see this situation to give you a fulfillment or a equal give and take. You found it to be imbalanced, so you are in a High Priestess mode right now, which tells me that both of you are taking a time out. You are not communicating with each other. This is a situation where it is weighing very heavy on you, but still you are moving ahead with your work, focusing on your career. Both of you are working on your career right now, and you have decided on to take it as it is seen. You are not working on this. This is a very sad situation, though you are coming out of it strong, and you both are focused on work. Yes, I'll try to in the outcome we have the Nine of Wands. I'll try to clarify this, Taurus, for you. Okay, Two of Swords. Exactly. You are very much in a decisive mode whether to wait or move forward. You just can't see it clearly. You don't see any potential right now in this situation. You have made up your mind that you are going to look into your work. We have the Page of Wands here. A very passionate connection indeed, and it's weighing very heavy on you. This is the Ten of Pentacles or Ten of Swords energy, which is like you feel like as if you are in depression and still you are moving forward and you're just focused, like maybe you're working like a zombie, like not, you don't know what's going around and you're just focusing on your work and you don't want to think about this connection. You're just taking it, making yourself totally aloof from it, trying to forget everything about it. You don't want to think about it. It's a very sad situation, Taurus. Let me see what is the outcome for this. What will be the future? Is there a possibility here? Okay. We have two cards. The Seven of Cups and the World card. So you are moving away from all this chaos and you don't want to focus on this relationship anymore. It is very important for you. This was maybe a soulmate connection. You felt very strongly, deeply about them, but you are moving forward. We have two World cards. We have this where you were moving away or they were moving away, and here we have your energy. You are looking into other options and moving away from this connection. Alright, Taurus, this was your reading. I'll see you in the next. Till then, bye-bye.